Thank you, Mr. Zeeshan Abdullah from Provincial Disaster Management Authority, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, for joining us today. I understand you hail from a province that is very vulnerable to extreme events historically, and also in future it's projected to face a lot of extreme events. So what is the existing capability at PDMA, KPK for managing emergencies?
Thank you, Bilal. We have, PDMA is established in Provincial Disaster Management is established. We have emergency operation centers at the provincial level, which coordinates with the divisional level. There are units at divisional level and at district level. It's functional. They collect data. They collect. They have contingency plans for every year, which is modified every year. So it's functioning and it's going well.
What do you feel are some of the challenges in terms of your EOC to make it more effective?
Actually, the EOC in KP is it has limited resources, human resource. There are a shortage of human resource, logistic support, supports. So we are in need of logistic supports and human resource. There is shortage of these few things. Then the technical expertise we need technical expertise over there. To hire technical expertise or such like people. So it's all around, it's human resource and logistic.
How do you think the learning in the past 2-3 days can help you to go back and integrate those learnings in your emergency operation procedures?
Oh yes, I have learned a lot of things, especially the interaction, the coordination between different countries, the experience of different, the systems of different countries and the experience of these participants. Then the presenters, they were the presentations were very good. For example, I have learned a new thing that one should always think about damages, or one should always, not damages, so one should always think about disasters workshop.
Thank you very much, Mr. Shan. Thank you for your